Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel in Network is Home. I am Nikun Goyal, the instructor and technical head of cybersecurity. Today we are going to discuss about zero trust technology, zero trust architecture. Okay, so nowadays what we are having lots of different high level pro kind of viruses and cyber attack also, where normal security device not able to secure all the things. Even let's say if we talk about firewalls, no doubt we have new next generation firewalls, but if we not apply the proper security, then again sometime firewall fails. So we have the concept like zero trust architecture, where we are following one simple line that every time verify, never trust. That is the main mechanism of zero trust architecture. So let's say if sometime by chance hacker get the entry with the one level security, or you can say one line defense, then what? Normal security, one level bypass, then hacker get the freedom and they can do anything inside. While in the zero trust security, even let's say someone able to bypass the second one line defense, or let's say they able to hack that, but still every moment, every process in the different layer, they are going to check. That is the normal process of zero trust architecture. Let's say it is not like that if someone already inside the network, someone already local network, company member, employee, then it is secure. Zero trust architecture focusing that even you are inside the company, even you are connected locally, but still I will verify you. So for that, what we need to do? We need to proper make a design and diagram, topology you can say. Then we need to divide the section, that in which kind of network, which kind of requirement we have, what kind of employee going to attend that network, and we need to create a proper planning. In that also we need to focus that anyone only get the least privilege access. It's not like one time just verification with the ID password, they can do anything. So we need to focus on the least privilege also. We need to focus that it is verify each time when they log in, or let's say verify every time when they want to do new task. And it's not like only request. Zero trust architecture also focusing that check every packet. Even it is a request or replay, it is going to check everything. So if you want to know technical more details, the types of different topics in that, or some practical things, so we'll discuss this point in the next session. Okay, so stay continue, and if you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe this channel. Thank you.